Satnam. I am warmly inviting you to come and participate in a beautiful, very deeply devotional spiritual practice known as Aquarian Sadhana for peace on earth. We're offering this on May the 25th from 4 a.m. until 6:30 a.m. with breakfast served immediately after, as well as June the 8th, which is 4 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. as well, and breakfast served immediately after. These are always offered on a Sunday. So please join us during the Ambrosial Hour, which is known as the Amritvela, from 4 a.m. until 6:30 a.m., which is where the sun is at a very unique angle. It's a very specific angle to open up an energy space that's known as the Ambrosial Hour or the Amritvela. The veil around the earth is very thin, and our prayers are directly received to the God consciousness, however it is that you wish to perceive this element of devotion. When we gather and we practice in this way for peace on earth, we truly are making a significant difference. So join us again for Aquarian Sadhana for peace on earth on May the 25th, 4 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. and June the 8th, 4 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. with light breakfast served immediately following.